Let's do the next part. Crankshaft. Right plane, sketch and draw a circle here from mid plane. Keep diameter 45 mm and extrude up to keep mid plane 30 mm. Okay. Now select this outer face, sketch, select offset. Keep offset 3 mm only. See this line offset from this line 3 mm. Okay. Extrude only up to 2 mm. Okay. Now see. Now select this face, sketch, normal. Again choose offset and this time keep 5 mm. Okay. Center line, draw a vertical center line 40 mm. Okay. Select line, circle and draw a big circle. Let's keep the diameter 120 mm. Okay. Select here line. Select and connect this point. Exit. Now let's define 20 mm. Okay. Select mirror entity and mirror these two lines against vertical line. Okay. Choose offset entity. Okay, now this is our geometry. Okay, select extruded boss. See, and extrude up to 20 mm. Okay. See, select front plane, sketch, normal. Select line and draw a line from here to this point up to this point. Exit. And select here spline, exit, choose 3-point arc. This is quite better than spline in this condition. Keep little taper, exit. Define 10 mm and vertical distance, let's say 89 mm. Okay, this any diameter we don't. Select extruded cut. Select here end condition mid plane and select cut. We want to cut through all, so choose maximum distance. Okay. Now see, we cut a taper. Select this face. (100 mm). Keep fillet. Okay. See, chamfer. Now select 2 mm 45 degree. Select this edge and this backside edge. See, it's all become chamfer. Now select right plane, plane and create one plane 60 mm. Okay, now select this plane, sketch normal, and let's draw a circle. Keep the distance 40 mm and the diameter 45 mm. Okay, now make one relation, origin point and whole circle center point vertical. Select extruded boss, select up to body. Okay, see, now hide this plane, select this face, sketch, and draw here one more circle, find out mid plane, keep the diameter 30 mm and extrude it up to 15 mm. Okay, now you can see here. Again select this face, sketch, and draw here midpoint and draw a circle with 25 mm diameter. Okay, and extrude it up to 50 mm long. See, okay. Now we want to create some planes. Select top plane, plane. .5 mm. Okay, now select this plane, plane number 2. Again click plane, select this face, and here select degree 180. See, plane 2 in 180 degree face tangent. Okay, now hide this plane. Now select this plane, third, sketch, and draw one spline cut, construction line, then choose here center point straight slot. Now let's define. .20 mm, radius keep 4 mm, and distance from outer edge 8 mm. Okay, select extruded cut, cut up to 4 mm, make the depth 4 mm. Okay, now this is the spline cut. Now hide this plane. Now it's time to mirror the body. So select here right plane, mirror, select mirror feature, this body, see, all the faces we selected. This cutout also important. Select OK, or better to select bodies. Select this body. Okay, that's it. See, now select this backside faces, sketch, Select the outer circle, convert entity, go to feature and select extruded cut. And this whole portion we want to cut. Select here reverse and select all. OK. That's it. Now this is our chamfer ready. Connecting rod is ready. So select appearance, and I prefer to add some material. Satin finish chrome plate. Save. Part number 4, crankshaft. Save. Let's make the driving gear part 1. Right plane sketch and draw a circle with 60 mm diameter. Make sure from origin point, diameter 60 mm, and extrude it 15 mm, and let's say end condition mid plane. Okay, select this face, sketch, and here we will make the teeth for gear. So draw a center line. Select the line and make relation vertical. Center point arc. Start from origin point to this point and up to here. Exit. Make one relation. Select both the end point horizontal. Okay. Select line. Select both the end point and midline and make relation symmetric. Okay. Let's define the dimension. 1.5 mm and 4 mm, and the distance from here to exit first select spline, connect, delete it. We prefer 3-point arc. Keep little taper, not much. Now define the distance 6 mm. Okay. Choose mirror, select this spline and mirror against this midline. Okay. Okay. Now select extruded boss. Select here up to surface. Select this back surface. Now you can see the thread. Okay. Now it's time to make multiple number of thread. So first select here view temporary axis. See, this is the temporary axis. Select this mid temporary axis, circular pattern. See, here's axis selected. Select this extruded face or teeth. Make 16 number of teeth. Okay. Now hide the temporary axis. See. Now right plane sketch and draw a circle here. .40 mm. Okay, and extrude it. end condition mid plane 36 mm. Okay, see, select the outer face, sketch normal, and here we will make the whole shaft hole. So circle, center line, and draw a vertical center line. Diameter 25 mm. Okay, select here line, exit both the end point and center line, and create relation symmetric 8 mm. Okay, up to this line, and again select up to circle. Now define the distance from midpoint to this upper line 15 mm. Okay, trim entity, select here trim to closest and trim this inside lines. Okay, see here geometry is fully defined, so select extruded cut. Keep here end condition through all. Okay, that's it. See, so this is our driving gear, first gear ready. There are 2 driving gears. So let's define the material. Better define, we will give some color to identify. This is quite better. I prefer to give this color. Okay, now make the part number 5 gear 1, save. Let's do the next gear. Let's do the next gear, driving gear, part number 2, right plane, sketch, and draw a circle with origin point and keep the diameter 120 mm and extrude it 15 mm and keep end condition mid plane. Okay, now select this face, sketch, and here we want to create some teeth. Draw a vertical center line, exit, make sure it is vertical. Center line point arc, start from origin point up to here, exit. Now create one relation, select both the end point of arc and make relation symmetry, horizontal. Select line, select both the end point and center line and make relation symmetric. Okay, now it's time to define 1.5 mm. Distance from here to this point 6.267 and define 4 mm. Okay, choose here center point arc, 3-point arc. Okay, mirror this arc against center line and define some radius 17. Okay, now this geometry is fully defined. Select extruded boss, keep here up to surface and select opposite surface, this surface. Now see the teeth. Okay, merge result. Now we need to make multiple number of thread. So here select view temporary axis, select this center temporary axis choose here circular pattern and select the pattern. Select this directly extruded body, make 32 numbers. Okay. Now hide temporary axis. See, select this face or select directly right plane, sketch, normal, and draw here one circle. Keep the diameter 40 mm and extrude. Keep 36 mm and end condition mid plane. Okay. Select this face, sketch, and here we want to make shaft hole. Circle 20 mm. Exit. Make sure this construction line vertical. Create one relation. Select both the end points of line and mid center line symmetric. Okay. Line. Exit. Again choose line and draw up to this circle. Exit. Now let's define this gap. 12 mm, 8 mm. Okay. Trim entity and trim this inside lines. Now our geometry is fully defined. Select extruded cut. Keep the mid plane end condition through all. Okay. See the shaft hole created. Again select this surface, sketch, and here we want to make some cutouts. Create two circles. This one, let's say 100 also less, 110. Okay, and define this inside 48. Okay, select extruded cut. And keep the depth 3 mm only. See, select inside, sketch, normal, and draw one more circle. Select for construction. Okay, and define. .5 mm. Okay, circle, and draw one circle here, and let's keep diameter 13 mm. Okay, now select this center point and select here circular sketch pattern. Select this circle and make 6-7 numbers, 360-degree equal spacing. Okay, select extruded cut. Now this all holes going to cut through all. Okay, now this is the our gear. We will assign some material to this gear. Brush brass. I think this is quite better. Okay, let's choose polished brass. Save. Part number 6, gear 2. Save. Let's see the next part here. Piston pin, the next part, right plane sketch and define here circle, inner and outer circle. Outer keep 18 mm and inner keeps 14 mm. Okay, let's extrude it. Here keep end condition mid plane and the length 48 mm. Okay, and let's define the material steel, polished steel. Save. Part number 7, pin. Piston pin. Let's do the next part, shaft rod. Top plane sketch and draw a circle 20 mm. Okay, and extrude it up to 45 mm. Okay, choose fillet 5 mm and select bottom edge. Okay, now select the top face sketch and here also draw a small face circle. (8 mm). Okay, and extrude it up to 162 mm. Okay, now again select the top face sketch, click here offset entities, keep here 2 mm. Okay, now see the offset. If you will check the diameter, 12 mm. Okay, now select extruded boss, only 2 mm thickness. Okay, that's it. Now select this time right plane sketch, select this line, convert entity. Now it is straight line. A center line and keep the height 3 mm. Okay, select spline, select this point to this point, exit. That's it. Select extruded boss. Keep mid plane end condition and 5 mm. Okay. Now select this surface sketch. Draw here 2 circles. One is similar to this circle and one is bigger. Okay, 16 mm. Extruded cut. Reverse direction. Okay. So that we will cut these outer faces. Fillet. Keep 1 mm. Select this face. Okay. Again choose fillet 10 mm and come down and select inside edge. Okay. Define the material color. The full I prefer red. cancel it, select the body, and we will assign some solid color. Solid, red solid. This is quite better, it looks sober. Save. Part number 8, rod. Save.